You know, we spend so much time slathering on sunscreen to protect our skin from the outside, but what if we could actually protect it from the inside? Well, a really fascinating new study in mice asked that exact question. Could a simple oral supplement help our bodies fight the aging effects of sun damage right down at the cellular level? Okay, let's dive into the science.
We've all been there with a sunburn, right? That hot, painful reminder that we spent a little too much time outside. But here's the thing. The real, long-term damage from UV radiation goes so much deeper than that. It's this quiet, invisible process that's changing the very structure of your skin over time.
And this process, it has a name: photoaging. It's the primary reason for all those skin changes we usually just blame on getting older. So, if we're going to figure out how to fight it, we first need to get to know the enemy. To put it simply, photoaging is skin aging that's caused by light, specifically the sun, not just by the ticking of the clock. It's all that cumulative damage from years and years of UV exposure that makes skin look older than it actually is. So, what does this actually look like on your skin? Well, it's pretty much all the things we associate with aging skin. We're talking deeper wrinkles, skin losing that firm, bouncy feeling, and a general sense of dryness. But underneath the surface, there's even more going on. The outer layer of the skin actually gets thicker, while its most important support structure, collagen, just starts to break down and disappear. So, when you're facing a cellular enemy like this, you need a powerful cellular ally. And in this study, scientists think they may have found one in a molecule called beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide, or for short, NMN. This is the potential hero of our story. Okay, so what is NMN? Think of it as a raw ingredient for something called NAD+, which is absolutely essential for our cells to function. NAD+ is like the high-octane fuel that powers everything our cells do, from generating energy to defending against damage to repairing themselves when things go wrong. NMN is one of the key building blocks our body uses to make that crucial fuel. So the researchers set up a pretty clever test. For 10 weeks, they exposed groups of hairless mice to UVB radiation to kickstart that photoaging process. Now, at the same time, some of those mice were also getting a daily oral dose of NMN. The big question was, would taking this pill actually make a difference? After those 10 weeks were up, it was time to look at the results. And this is where things get really, really interesting. Let's look at the actual visible proof of what happened to the skin of these mice. And wow, the difference is just striking. Seriously, just look at these images. On the left, that's the healthy, smooth skin. In the middle, you see the rough, deeply wrinkled skin from the mice that only got UV exposure. But then look at the group on the right. Those are the mice that got NMN. Their skin is visibly smoother, with way fewer wrinkles. You can see it with your own eyes. And the numbers totally back up what we just saw. You could see how UV exposure made the wrinkle measurements shoot way up. But look what happens when you add NMN. It significantly knocks those wrinkle scores back down, bringing the skin almost halfway back to its original healthy state. And remember how photoaging makes that outer layer of skin thicken up? Well, this chart shows that happening in real time. UV radiation causes this huge spike in epidermal thickness. But check out the NMN group. It totally calms that response down, keeping the skin's thickness much, much closer to the normal, healthy group. Okay, what about that bounce-back quality of young skin? Well, the UV rays just destroyed it, cutting skin elasticity by more than half. But once again, NMN comes to the rescue, bringing that elasticity measurement way back up. The skin didn't just look better, it was actually behaving in a more youthful way. So we've seen what NMN did. It clearly reduced wrinkles, it prevented that weird thickening, and it helped with elasticity. But the big question is how? How did it pull all this off? To figure that out, we have to go from what we can see down to the microscopic level. And this image right here gets to the heart of the matter. Collagen is the scaffolding that gives our skin its strength and structure. It's stained blue in these pictures. Now look at the UV-damaged skin on the left. That scaffolding is all broken, sparse, and disorganized. But now look at the skin from the NMN group on the right. The collagen network is dense, it's organized, it's healthy. NMN literally protected the foundation of the skin. And of course, there's data to prove it. The UV groups saw a massive drop in the amount of collagen in their skin, but the NMN groups, they managed to hang on to their collagen, keeping it at levels that were incredibly close to the undamaged skin. It's just amazing.
So it seems like NMN is fighting back on multiple fronts at once. The scientists found we can basically break down its protective powers into a simple three-pronged defense strategy. Let's walk through it. Okay, step one, it calms down the inflammatory signals. UV radiation is like an alarm bell that triggers this huge inflammatory response in the skin. This chart shows NMN acting like a firefighter, dramatically suppressing those inflammatory signals and just calming all the chaos that the UV rays stirred up.
Step 2, it calls off the demolition crew. See, UV light activates these enzymes that have one job: to chew up and destroy collagen. You can see here how their expression just skyrockets with sun exposure. But NMN steps in and tells them to stand down, significantly reducing their levels and protecting that precious collagen scaffolding from being torn apart. And finally, step 3, it recharges the body's own defense force. Our cells have these amazing built-in antioxidant enzymes that act like bodyguards, neutralizing damage. But UV exposure totally drains their power. This chart shows how NMM supplementation basically rearmed those cellular bodyguards, restoring their activity so they could get back to work protecting the cell. So when you put all of these pieces together, this really compelling picture starts to emerge. Let's just take a step back and think about what these findings could really mean for the future of how we take care of our skin. So to wrap it all up, this study in mice showed that taking NMN by mouth had this incredible, multi-layered protective effect against sun damage. It wasn't just one thing. It improved the skin's physical properties, it protected its fundamental structure, and it fought back on a molecular level against both inflammation and oxidative stress.
But, and this is a really, really important but, this was a study in mice. And while these results are incredibly promising and they point researchers in a very exciting direction, we have to remember that. The next huge, critical step is to see if these amazing benefits actually translate to people in human clinical trials.
Still, the authors who did the research are clearly very optimistic. They wrap up their paper by saying that because it works in so many different ways, NMN holds strong potential as an ingredient you could find in supplements or even in creams for both preventing and treating photoaging. And all of this leaves us with a pretty cool, thought-provoking question, doesn't it? For the last century, we've focused almost entirely on what we put on our skin. But this research suggests the next great frontier in skincare might be about how we nourish and protect it from the inside out. So you have to wonder, could the real secret to healthier skin come not from a jar, but from a capsule?